Ever tried fasting only to feel moody, tired, or totally off by mid-afternoon? You're not alone, and here's why. Most fasting advice is made for men. But your body, it runs on a totally different hormonal rhythm. If you felt frustrated or confused, it's not your fault. Stay with me, because I'm sharing 10 powerful, science-backed fasting tips designed just for women to help you boost energy, balance hormones, and feel amazing naturally. Before we get into the first tip, here's what most people don't realize. Women's bodies can interpret sudden, drastic changes in food intake as a threat. Hello, stress hormones. That's why it's so important to do this right. Just a reminder that this video is strictly for instructional purposes. So, if you have any medical concerns, consult your doctor. Number 1. Start with a gentle approach. What it is, ease into fasting by starting with a 12-hour window, instead of jumping straight to 16 or 18 hours. Why it matters. Women can be more sensitive to big energy shifts. An aggressive fasting schedule often jacks up cortisol, your stress hormone, which can leave you feeling tired and frazzled. How to do it? If you finish dinner at 7 p.m., have breakfast at 7 a.m. That's a cozy 12-hour fast. No big stress on your system. After a week or two, if you're still feeling great, inch up to 14 or 16 hours. Number 2. Don't fast every day. What it is, avoid long daily fasts when you're starting out. Aim for 2 to 4 fasting days a week. Why it matters. Your body loves predictability, but also needs flexibility. Fasting every single day can trick your system into thinking it's under constant threat, potentially messing with hormone production. How to do it. Fast on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and eat normally on the other days. This pattern tells your body there's still plenty of food coming, 0 side effects, minimal stress, and maximum benefits. Number 3. Sync fasting with your cycle. What it is, plan your fasting windows around your menstrual cycle. Why it matters. During your follicular phase, roughly the week after your period, your energy often spikes. You can handle a slightly longer fast without feeling wiped out. But in the luteal phase, especially the week before your period, you might get more cravings and fatigue. How to do it. Track your cycle on a calendar or app. Fast a little longer right after your period, then dial it down when you're feeling more sluggish or craving chocolate. If you find this content beneficial, kindly like, subscribe, and enable notifications for ongoing nutrition updates. And I'll put some links down below in the video description. Coming back now to number 4, prioritize quality sleep. What it is, aim for 7 to 9 hours of solid rest, and avoid fasting on days when you're severely sleep deprived. Why it matters. Lack of sleep ramps up cortisol, which messes with insulin, thyroid function, and reproductive hormones. If your body's already in overdrive from poor sleep, throwing fasting stress on top can backfire. How to do it. Pull an all-nighter or toss and turn. Skip the fast the next day. Make sleep your hormone reset button. Once you're well rested, bring fasting back. Number 5, nourish during your eating window. What it is, fasting isn't about starvation, it's about timing. When you do eat, make it count with nutrient-dense foods. Why it matters. Women need sufficient protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals to maintain hormone balance. Undereating can trigger hair loss, fatigue, or even missed periods. How to do it. In your eating window, fill up on protein, eggs, fish, beans, or lean meats. Fats, avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds. Carbs, colorful veggies, plus complex carbs like quinoa or sweet potatoes. Number 6, be smart with exercise. What it is. On fasting days, choose gentle or moderate workouts. Why it matters. Intense cardio sessions or heavy gym workouts can spike stress hormones, especially if your body hasn't had fuel. How to do it. Go for yoga, brisk walks, stretching, or light strength training when you're fasting. Save those tough sweat sessions, like boot camp style classes or long cardio runs, for days when you've eaten normally. Number 7. Watch for warning signs. What it is, pay attention to hair loss, missed periods, extreme fatigue, or uncontrollable cravings. Why it matters. These are flashing red signals your body's sending. If you ignore them, you could set yourself up for hormonal chaos. How to do it? Listen to your body. If you notice these signs, either shrink your fasting window or take a break altogether. Remember, you're the expert on you. Number 8. Keep stress levels in check. What it is. Chronic stress, whether emotional, mental, or physical, seriously amplify the effects of fasting stress. Why it matters. Elevated cortisol can throw off your insulin, thyroid, and even your mood. How to do it. Take just 5 minutes a day for deep breathing, journaling, or even something creative like doodling or adult coloring books. Small acts that calm your nervous system and support hormone balance. Number 9. Stay hydrated and mind your electrolytes. What it is. Water and minerals, like sodium, magnesium, and potassium, are crucial during any fast. Why it matters. Dehydration can disguise itself as hunger, mess with your energy, and leave you feeling cranky. Plus, women often have lower iron levels and need to be extra mindful of electrolytes. How to do it. Sip water throughout your fast, add a pinch of Himalayan salt if you like, or reach for an all-natural electrolyte drink. Number 10. Have a post-fast ritual. What it is. The first thing you eat after a fast sets the tone for how your body responds. Why it matters. Breaking your fast with a big bowl of sugary cereal can spike insulin and make you feel lousy. How to do it. Start small, a cup of bone broth, a veggie-packed smoothie, or a little lean protein before moving on to a normal meal. Common mistakes and warnings. 1. Fasting purely for weight loss. Severe calorie restriction can cause hormonal issues down the line. 2. Ignoring fatigue or insomnia. If you're not sleeping well, forcing a fast can send cortisol through the roof. 3. Skipping hydration. Sounds tiny, but dehydration is a fast killer, especially if you're prone to iron or electrolyte deficiencies. 4. Special cases. If you have a history of eating disorders, PCOS, thyroid issues, or any serious hormonal condition, check with a healthcare professional before you experiment with fasting. Have you ever felt super drained or moody while fasting? Maybe you tried a friend's plan that just didn't work for you? Share your story in the comments below. You never know, your tip or trick could be the miracle remedy someone else needs. Plus, if you have any old school hacks from your grandma or zero side effect secrets you swear by, let's hear them. If this video helped you, tap that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed, feel amazing naturally tips. If you're as passionate about nutrition and its benefits as I am, don't miss out. Tap the screen here to embark on a journey through the world of nutrition and discover how it can enhance your health and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to 10 Secrets Doctors Warn Women. Embrace health, celebrate life,